This easy pumpkin spice cake is thick, moist, and delicious. The brown sugar frosting gives it an extra kick of flavor. It's so good. I love fall because of all the pumpkin treats, and I'm always looking for an easy recipe to make. And this one is perfect. Give me a thumbs up if you love fall baking too. Before we get started, go ahead and download your free recipe card from the video description box below. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line an 8x8 baking pan with parchment paper. Be sure to leave extra around the top of the pan so you can lift it up after your cake is baked and cooled. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, baking soda, and salt. In your mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, brown sugar, egg, vanilla extract, and pumpkin puree until it's smooth and creamy. Then as several addition, add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and combine until it's well mixed and the mixture will be very thick. Scoop the mixture into the prepared baking dish and spread it into an even layer. Bake for about 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow the pumpkin spice bars to cool completely on a wire rack. To make the frosting, toss the softened butter and brown sugar into a mixing bowl and mix until it's completely smooth and creamy. Add the cinnamon, salt, and sifted powdered sugar. Use the spatula to combine just a bit before you turn on the mixer so you can avoid the powdered sugar bomb in your kitchen. Once your mixture is thoroughly combined, add vanilla extract and milk. I suggest starting with a tablespoon of milk and adding more if you want it to be smoother. Once a cake is completely cooled, you can spread the frosting on top of the pumpkin spice cake. I put a few recipes up on the screen that I know you'll love. Don't forget to download the recipe card in the video description box. And while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the bell button. Have fun baking!